In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create lots of layer for a flat scene and make your scene look more three-dimensional. Hello everyone, this is Neha Tulshan from Crescent Creation. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is part of Not Too Shabby Shop Lovely Fall Hop, and I'm creating this very beautiful three-dimensional scene using one of the stamp sets from Box of the Month kit. It's the first day of the month and we are bringing you the freshly released Box of the Month subscription kit from Not Too Shabby Shop. And as usual, they have some very amazing products this month too. And for my today's card, I'm using two of the products from the kit. And the first one here is the 4x6 stamp set called Welcome Fall. I just love this beautiful stamp set, especially that whole scene that's already created for you. So no masking needed, no fuzzy cutting, nothing. The whole thing is done for you. You just have to stamp it and color the images. Next product that I used is this very beautiful 6x6 paper pad called Lovely Fall. And here I'm just going to quickly show you all the patterns that you get in this paper pad. These are double-sided paper pad and you get a total of 24 designs, 4 of each design. Aren't these just gorgeous? I am in love with these. So now let's move on to card making. I have stamped the scene 4 times on white cardstock that's Copic friendly using Copic friendly black ink. And now I'm just fuzzy cutting the parts of images that I'm gonna layer later. And there is no such rule of which image you want to layer first and which one later. It's actually kind of very similar to masking, and I'm gonna try and explain you about this later in the video when I'm actually gluing all my images together. So here, once I have all my images cut out, I'm starting my coloring, and I'm starting with coloring all my pumpkins. I'm using my YR markers here. I'm using YR18, YR04, YR02 and YR00 to color my pumpkin, and for the green part I'm using YG17 and YG01. But I also colored few of my pumpkins in my main scene just with one Copic marker. That's because those images are not gonna show much. They're gonna get hidden beneath all the layers, but when you tilt your card to see the sides, you can actually take a little bit of peek and you can see the bottom layers. So you do not want them to be completely white. So I choose to color my bottom layer images with the darkest color. There is still a lot of coloring for me to show you, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some music for you to enjoy the coloring. But if you're not one of those persons who enjoy coloring, you can just skip forward to the process video. here I'm done coloring, and now I'm gonna go ahead and glue all my images. I'm using some double-sided tape to glue all my images here. I'm starting with the banner. So in this case, I wanted my banner to be raised. So I fuzzy cut the banner from the separate stamped image, colored it and glued it in place. And the pumpkins in the banner, I wanted them to be more towards the front. So I fuzzy cut each pumpkin from a separate stamped image, colored each of the pumpkin, and now I'm gluing them all using some foam tape. Now I'm doing the same with the pillows on the bench. Lastly, gluing down the 2 pumpkin layers on the front of the bench. And this is how my scene looks after adding all the layers. I just love how three-dimensional this scene looks. And in all the excitement of creating this scene, I forgot that I was supposed to trim the main scene down. So here I'm just carefully using my guillotine trimmer and trimming the white border all around. And now I'm gluing this panel to a black cardstock to give it a very thin black border all around. I'm using some liquid glue to glue this down so that I have some wiggle room while I'm adjusting my front panel. And now I'm just going ahead and using my trimmer and trimming off the excess. And now about the hop, this is a hashtag driven hop. So to watch the rest of the videos in the hop, click below the hashtag N2S Lovely Fall. Don't forget to comment and like on each stop and leave us all some love. Here I'm just using my white gel pen and adding highlights to all the images. And as always, there is a giveaway for this hop. One lucky winner will receive a $25 shopping spree to Not Too Shabby Shop. So do not forget to enter the giveaway by clicking the link in the description box below. For my sentiment, I'm white heat embossing a sentiment from the same stamp set on black cardstock. I'm gonna go ahead and heat this embossing powder off camera, and here I'm just using my trimmer to trim the sentiment down. The sentiment says, "Thankful, blessed, pumpkin obsessed." How cute, right? Now to finish off my card, I'm gluing down my front panel to a pattern paper that I trimmed to 4¼ by 5½ inches. This pattern paper is from the lovely fall paper pad that I showed you earlier. And here I'm just gluing down the sentiment strip below the scene, and I'll trim off the excess using my scissors. And now I'll go ahead and glue this whole panel to a top folding white note card using some liquid glue. I did not feel the need to add any embellishments. I thought the scene looked beautiful as is, but I'm adding a little bit of shine using my Stardust pen to few areas in the scene. And that just finishes my card for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you would give this 3D layering scene look a try. Here I'm just quickly showing you how the card looks once all done. I'm just in love with the dimension that you get here, and can you see all those colored images at the bottom? Just gorgeous. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for stopping by. Until next time, happy crafting!